Video, we're going to cover the basics of integrating Hyperise with ChatFuel. So first off, what we're going to do is select an image here that we can use to personalize our messaging within ChatFuel. So I'm first of all going to choose this little bulldog here just as part of a welcome message. So I can just edit that and just make maybe that a little bit smaller so we can see. What we have here down at the bottom are our integration. So I'm going to add the ChatFuel integration. You can see that's right here at the top. It's in alphabetical order, nice and easy to find. And I can just add that, and you can see that adds to my integrations here at the bottom. So once that's selected, we'll see that the link data for my image is here, and that includes everything that I need for this image. So this personalized image has a profile image and the first name, and you can see that's all included in that link. So clicking that there copies that to my clipboard, and I can just jump over into my ChatFuel dashboard, and I've got my bot here. So just selecting the bot, obviously I'm just into my welcome message, and obviously you can add this in lots of different flows. Obviously you can ask questions and take the answers and send those to your bot too, but for this just welcome message, what we're going to do is just choose the plus sign here in terms of the different elements, and we have this JSON API that we choose that we use. And we just have to put the URL in here. So the URL that we just copied from Hyperise, we can just paste that in there, and here we can see it's added automatically the first name, and it's brought the requirements from the Facebook or ChatFuel session. So what we have so far in this message, we have this little text message, and then we'll follow that up with a message with a picture. So top right hand corner we have the test this chatbot. And what we can do is then that will save the progress, and then we can click that, and that will just take us over into a messenger session. Here we can see here's the text that came through, and then here's the personalized image, which obviously personalized to me in terms of name, but also profile picture. So I hope that gave you a good idea of how to use ChatFuel with Hyperise, and it's something that you might be able to find use of. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video.